So we're now at Tel Gamma Hill in Israel, in the south of Israel, just on the border with Gaza. You can see around me here, to my left and to my right, just the extensive damage and the scorched land that has been created by these fire kites and balloons that have been launched by the Hamas from Gaza. These are not innocent toys. These are instruments of terror that have caused an enormous ecological disaster. This is really no other way to put it other than this is a form of environmental terror. We've heard that over 7,500 acres of land is being destroyed. It will take between 50 and 100 years to repair, to recover, and for the trees to come back to their beautiful luscious green like they were before. I think the whole world really needs to see this, really needs to see the damage that this has created. Some people assume that these are just toys or innocent gimmicks, but they're not. These are instruments of terror that have caused enormous, irreparable damage to our precious land, to our wildlife, killing many animals, destroying trees, forestry, farming land, and that's really a message that we need to get out, that these are not toys, these are instruments of terror that have caused incredible damage. You can see the scorched land here, but we will get there and we will repair it, we will rebuild it, and we will once again return to the beautiful land that was here before the Hamas decided to launch this vicious campaign of fire terror against our land and against our people.